Hey friends, do you remember that April showers bring May flowers? So if we see a lot of rain in April, we'll see beautiful flowers in May. So let's read this book today that reminded me about how April showers bring May flowers. It's called Splish, Splash, Spring. Splish, Splash, Spring. Here we go. Look at this page. See kites, umbrellas, clouds, rain. Splish, splash, spring. Oh my God, a dog flying a kite. Oh my goodness, I've never seen that. Spring is sloppy, so raindroppy. Stomp in puddles, splash about. I definitely hear some rhyming words already in this book. Sun comes peeking, hide and seeking. Days are playful, spring's a sprout. Oh my goodness, is this a frog? I think if my dog saw a frog, she would be chasing it. I definitely see signs of spring in this picture. I see the sun, I see little birds and their mommy bird bringing them a worm, umbrellas, raincoats, growing grass, leaves coming back on trees, all spring things. Chip, chip, cheeping. Who's that peeping? Baby robins beg for bugs. There they are in their nests, waiting for their mommy bird to bring them something to eat. Better dig one, get a big one. Grub up earthworms, slimy slugs. Ooh. So in the spring when it's raining and kind of soggy, that might be a time that you could find a worm if you wanted to look for one. Hocus pocus, there's a crocus. Plucky petals brave the chills. A crocus is a kind of flower. Those are some of the first flowers you might see in spring. Frilly, silly, daffodilly, willy-nilly down the hill. These flowers are daffodils. And you guys have heard the word willy-nilly before. I always say don't put dots in a 10 frame willy-nilly. Willy-nilly means just like totally being crazy or silly. You're over here, you're over there. But in spring, you can go down the hilly willy-nilly. Kites are swooping, loop-de-looping, snapping, flapping. Look at me. Oh dear, these kids are a little tangled up. Wind comes whipping, grip is slipping, tangle, dangle, up a tree. Oh my goodness. Be careful with those kite strings, friends. Bows are bloomy, so perfumey. Thunder threatens, skip, skidoo. If you hear thunder, remember this. When thunder roars, get indoors. If you hear thunder, it's time to go inside. Race the raindrops, window pane drops. I picked posies, more flowers, just for you. Spring is fun, isn't it? Even when it's raining, you can still have fun in spring. And even when it's raining, there's still so many beautiful spring things around and fun things to do. All right, I'll see you soon, friends. I hope you enjoyed Splish, Splash, Spring.